Hello friends! In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a magical love cologne. I don't see a lot of recipes for love perfumes or spells specifically geared towards men, so I figured I would make this a companion video to last week's magical love perfume, which I made more for women. This cologne has herbs and spices specifically designed for men to attract love. So now let's get started. The first ingredient you will need is vetiver. Vetiver is a very grounded, earth-rooted plant. It has a sensual, earthy aroma. If you can't find it dried, you can always swap it out for the essential oil. Vetiver is said to attract male partners, so if you are seeking a gay relationship, this is a good herb to add. And if you are a man seeking a female partner, you can totally leave out this herb. That's why I mentioned it first, so if you don't need it, you can leave it out. And as always, make sure you're enchanting every ingredient before you place it in your bottle, whether that's placing your hands over it or making a protective symbol above it. Even if you just think it in your head, just make sure the entire time you're making this love cologne, you're focusing on attracting love, attracting a partner, whatever loving thoughts come to your mind. The next ingredient you'll need are cloves, and cloves are said to attract the opposite sex. So cloves are often added in many love mixtures regardless of sexual preference. But if you look at the phallic shape of the clove, you can see that it brings a very masculine energy to anything that you're adding this to. It also has a really good scent, so while this perfume is meant to be energetically attractive to a partner, it also has a very beautiful scent once it's done infusing. Allspice is a very lucky herb. It is used in a lot of oil blends to bring the wearer luck and good fortune. Fragrance-wise, it blends so well with the cinnamon and cloves. Allspice is also used for sex magic and for boosting energy, courage, and strength to feel confident and powerful while you are wearing this cologne. I am adding in these allspice berries whole, but if you wanted to, you can crush this up a little bit in your mortar and pestle before you add it into the bottle. Next up is cinnamon, and cinnamon, as I have mentioned in many previous videos, is a very fast-working, potent herb. It adds the speed, potency, and ability to manifest quickly to this love cologne. It also adds a really warm, spicy fragrance to the finished cologne. I am adding a single stick just due to the size of my bottle, but if you have a larger bottle, if you wanted to make more, you can add 2, 3, 4 sticks, or even add some chips or break it up in your mortar before you add it. Bay laurel is a very lucky herb. The leaves are often used to write down wishes and are then burned to send your wish out into the universe for it to manifest. Bay is used in love workings to ensure that love will stay in your life. The energy of bay helps you invoke the changes you need to make within yourself to become more attractive and appealing to others. Ginger is a very warming herb. It is also ruled by fire and is considered a masculine plant. It helps heat up love spells, giving them power and potency. It acts much like cinnamon and frankincense in terms of potency. It aids in having success in any spell you add it to. For this cologne, it helps bring you success in love and attracting a partner. Patchouli is well known for its earthy scent. You either love it or hate it, but magically, patchouli is a very lusty herb that is believed to create allure and attraction to help you attract a partner. It is ruled by Scorpio, which is a highly sensual sign. This is another herb that would be great to use essential oil instead if you can't find the dried herb, as it provides that fragrance that you might want in this cologne. Juniper is another masculine herb which is associated with Mars and Saturn and is ruled by the sun. It is said that juniper helps male potency and is often added to love workings. Juniper is ruled by the sign of fire, so it is considered a very fiery herb that gets others thinking about you in a romantic and loving way. Juniper is used in mostly healing spells, so if you have any healing from past relationships, traumas, or any self-improvement you need to do, juniper is a wonderful addition. Vervain is often added to love mixtures and formulas. It is associated with the planet Venus and is known as the enchanting herb. It is said that vervain fulfills your every wish, helps you to attract love, and is also used in sex magic and marriage spells. If you are currently in a relationship or are looking to reunite or revive a past love. Vervain is said to put that spark back into a dying love. The last herb you'll need is frankincense. Frankincense, much like the cinnamon, is used for enhancing the strength and energy of anything you add it to. Frankincense is a very ancient magical herb that works to strengthen the energy of whatever you add it to. In this case, frankincense works to attract people to you if you are seeking a relationship or even just casual dating. It helps add that extra potency and speed that you need. The last ingredient in this oil is malachite. You might typically think of pink or red stones as stones associated with love, but so are green ones. The heart chakra is associated with green, so a lot of rituals for love can use pink, red, or green. Malachite is a stone of transformation and growth. It helps you attract love while becoming the best version of yourself. Malachite is one of the best stones for men to attract love. If you don't want to add crystals, this is optional and you can always leave this out. It won't affect anything. Malachite is also a very expensive stone, is often faked, so if you can't find one in an actual crystal store, it's maybe best to leave it out because you don't want to be buying a fake stone to put in there. And the very last thing you'll need is grapeseed oil. I chose grapeseed oil because it went along with the green heart chakra theme for this oil, but you can also use olive oil or any other scentless oil like sunflower, sweet almond, apricot kernel. You're going to be rubbing this on your body often, so I would choose a plant-based oil that easily absorbs into the skin for this particular recipe. And here is the finished product. As always, I leave my oils to infuse for about 4 to 6 weeks or a full moon cycle. And the final step, which is also optional, but I always charge all of my oils, powders, anything with a candle. And I chose a green candle for this just to go along with the whole theme of it, but if you wanted to use a red candle or a pink candle, you can also do that as well. While you are lighting your candle, just think of love, the partner you want to attract, the relationship, or if you're just looking for something casual, or you're looking to strengthen a current relationship, just focus on all that energy as you light the candle, and let the candle fully burn down, and then leave this on your altar or somewhere, or on your dresser, or where you keep your other perfumes or colognes, just somewhere where it'll be undisturbed for a full month. And then once the month is up, you can use this daily, all day. You can even use this to dress your candles or other spell work, but it's definitely made to be worn daily as a cologne to attract love into your life. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, also leave them down below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Bye!